or please reply soon. May her soul rest in peace. Suppose the letter is for or at the death of someone. Please accept my sympathies for the sad loss, and so on. So next, students, you can use some contractions while writing the letter. For example, contractions means students short form. For example, didn't, the full form is did not, I'm, or wasn't, doesn't, and so on. Next, you can use imperative sentences like have a good day, please convey my regards to your mom, don't eat too much, obey your elders, and so on. Students, you can also use idioms or phrases like if you are very happy or excited or extremely happy, you can use thrilled to bits or over the moon, or in seventh heaven, I'm on cloud 9 on top of the world, or I have a mind like a sieve. When you can use this one idiom when somebody is having a very bad memory, or means your memory is very bad, or to express sadness you can use the idioms like down in mouth, or reduced to tears. Reduced to tears means to make someone cry or to be so unhappy and down that we begin to cry. मीन्स कि जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी होते हैं कि हम रोना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. If you are slightly unwell, then this one idiom can be used under the weather. For example, I was under the weather yesterday. Or verb phrases can be used like I'm very grateful to you, or it was so kind of you to write this letter, or I'm sorry to hear that for example you are fail in the exams, and so on. So students, I'm taking an example. Suppose, or assuming yourself Mala or Mohan, write a letter to your friend congratulating her or him on her or his success in class 12 board exam. You live in 342 Bank Colony, Pathankot. Your friend's name is Meena or Monu. Let's start. I start to write the letter. First of all, students, we should write the address to the left side that has been given in the question. 342 Bank Colony, Pathankot. Leave one line and then write the date. आफ्टर राइटिंग द डेट, स्टूडेंट्स आपको वही डेट लिखनी है जिस दिन आप लेटर लिख रहे हो. देन लीव वन लाइन एंड address your friend, that is, dear Meena, how are you? I'm fine here and hope that you are also fine at your place. I received your last letter 2 days ago. After reading your letter, I became very happy. My happiness knew no bounds when I got to know that you have topped your school and achieved your dream. You were so laborious and passionate about it. The result has proved that hard work, determination, and perseverance bring good results. I congratulate you on this grand success of yours. I hope you'll keep succeeding and give us more reasons to celebrate. Then, closing line, give my regards to uncle and auntie. Yours lovingly, Mala, as Mala is writing the letter. So, students, in this way, we can write the informal letter. स्टूडेंट्स लिटिल बिट आपको थोड़ा सा जो है वो सोचना पड़ता है कि व्हाट टू राइट.